What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. I am on the southwest end of Akron, Ohio. I'm actually helping a client of mine sell his lots. He has some vacant land. There's 3 lots here, side by side. And I just came across this property right here that appears to be vacant. So I just wanted to drop in with you guys and let you know that we are actively out here in the field, boots on the ground, looking for properties to buy. We do buy in as-is condition. We can pay cash and we can close quickly. So if you know of anybody who might be thinking about selling a house, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit our website, www.investparamount.com.